In this lecture, we will learn how to use circle command. The command for circle is C, select circle. Click at first point. We have a diameter in default. To give the radius, type R, press enter. Then give radius value 15 mm, press enter. So we have this circle of 15 mm radius. We have several types of circle. Select 2-point circle. Don't forget to on the object snap. Right now, it is off. We want to select these 2 points, but we are not able to connect the points. So, active the object snap mode. Now, you can see that the cursor is connecting the points. Select first point and then select second point. So, this is the 2-point circle. The next option is 3-point circle. Select first point, second point, and third point. Now, you can see that this circle is formed from all 3 selected points. Again, select 3-point circle, select first, second, and third point. The next option is tangent radius circle. Select first tangent, second tangent, and then give radius value of 15 mm. Press enter. Now, you can see that this circle is formed from 2 tangent with some radius. The next option is tangent circle. Select first tangent, second tangent, third tangent. Now, you can see that this circle is formed from all 3 tangent points.